Sell like hotcakes. Something is selling very fast because many people want it. Ice cream sells like hotcakes in summer. The new phone is selling like hotcakes. A cat nap. A short sleep during the day. I took a cat nap after lunch. He had a quick cat nap on the sofa. Down in the dumps. Feeling sad or unhappy. I feel down in the dumps today. She is down in the dumps after losing her job. Cock-a-hoop. Feeling very happy, proud, or excited. She felt cock-a-hoop about her new job. He was cock-a-hoop after winning the prize. Catch some rays. To sit or lie in the sun to enjoy. We went to the beach to catch some rays. I like to catch some rays on a sunny day. Crash a party. To go to a party without being invited. He crashed a party and danced with everyone. We laughed when strangers crashed our party. Hit the road. To start a trip. We will hit the road early tomorrow. After lunch, they hit the road for the beach. Top banana. The most important person in a group or place. He is the top banana in the office. Our teacher is the top banana in the class. A home bird. A person who loves staying at home more than going out. My brother is a home bird and hates parties. Being a home bird makes me happy.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!